Hey guys, welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to export your photos as PNG format or as a transparent photo. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for never miss an update. So let's get started. I already created a transparent project. If you don't know how to create, click to File, New. For example, I like to use 1920 into 1080 pixels. 300 resolution is recommended. For example, 72 should be okay. Choose transparent. Now create. Type your text here that you want to export as PNG or transparent. But remember, you can export anything you like. You can export a logo, a rectangle, or a dog with his wing, a puppy. What about this fat man? You can do more. But for now, let's back to the text. You can follow the same method to export your photo as PNG or transparent. After typing your text or after finishing your work, go to File, Export. By default, it should be in JPG format. Choose PNG from the format option. Make sure to check the transparency for transparent result. If you don't want, just uncheck that option. From remap option, choose bibobic automatic and other settings will be in default. Click to export. Now Photoshop asking you where you want to save it. Click to save and voila, you complete learning. Try yourself. If need any help, come back here. Here is some nice and understandable Photoshop tutorial. Click any of them and boost your knowledge. See you in the next video.